Worksheet first activity is find the angle, measurement and give reasons. Here this is a right angle. So what is the measure of angle ABD? That is the question. Measure of angle ABD. That is right angle means 90 degree. 90 degree minus 30 degree is 60 degree. Angle ABD is equal to 60 degree. How will you write the reason? Angle ABC is equal to 90 degree right angle and angle ABD is equal to 90 minus 30 equal to 60. Question number B is here also. First let us see the figure. This angle EHG or angle GHE is 45 degree and what is angle GHF? This angle. Clearly it is a linear pair. So we will get the answer by subtracting 45 from 180. So angle GHE is equal to 45 degree given. That is the way to write the answers. Angle GHF is equal to 135 degree. Reason linear pair. 180 minus 45 is equal to 135 degree. And in this figure, here this angle is 50 degree. And we have to find out all the other three angles. This angle, this one and this one. And first, let us do angle LKM. That is this angle LKM. What is it? Just we have seen linear pair. Linear pair. That is angle LKI is equal to 50 degree given and angle LKM is equal to 130 degree. How will you get 130 degree? 180 minus 50 equal to 130 degree. Then the next one is angle NMK. NMK is here angle NMK. This is also 50 degree. Why? These two lines are parallel. LK is parallel to NM. So the same slope with the same line. Same slope with the same line at one side. That is angle NMK is equal to 50 degree. Angle NMK equal to 50 degree. Parallel lines, same slope or corresponding angles. I have put 2 stars here because you will learn about this corresponding angles in the next class only. Just see, it is corresponding angles. Now we know these are parallel lines and having the same slope. Okay. Then NMJ, angle NMJ. If this angle is 50 degree, what would be this angle? 130 degree. That we can write here like this. Angle NMJ is equal to 130 degree. We have just written angle NMK is equal to 50 degree and it is the linear pair. NMJ is the linear pair of this above angle. So we can write just as linear pair. Then the next question is angle TSQ. Here TSQ is 105 degree. So this opposite angle, angle PSR, we have studied opposite angles are equal. So angle PSR will be 105 degree itself. And now we can, it is very easy to write the other angles also. First let us write this. Angle TSQ is equal to 105 degree, that is given. Then angle PSR is equal to 105 degree, opposite angles. We have just written angle TSQ is equal to 105 degree. So we can write opposite angles, simply opposite angles as reason. Then angle TSP. Which is angle TSP? TSP is 180 minus 75. That is 180 minus 105. That is 75 degree. And here also this angle also 75 degree. Okay. That we can write. QSR is equal to 75 degree opposite angles. Then the last one, angle 1 is VSX. Just to see the figure first. Angle 1 is VSX. To get angle 1, we may look at here. This angle is 60 degree and it is said that VW is parallel to TU. So these two lines are having the same slope with this line. So the angles at the same side, such angles are equal. So angle 1 is equal to 60 degree. That we can write here. Angle TPS is equal to 60 degree given. Then angle 1 is equal to angle VSX is equal to 60 degree. Reason VW parallel to TU and angle TPS is equal to angle 1 is equal to angle 1. That is, reason is same slope. And in the next class we will learn about corresponding angles. So we will be able to write it just reason as corresponding angles. Next one is angle 2. Angle 2 is here. These two angles are equal, that we have learned from here, 1 and 60. Similarly, the 60 degree and here also 60 degree. If this angle is 60 degree, what would be the measure of this angle? That angle will be the linear pair of 60 degree. So it will be 120 degree. That we will write here. What is it? Angle YRW. That is this angle 2 equal to 120 degree. Reason linear pair of angle SRY. And angle 3. Angle 3 is very easy. Angle 2 and angle 3. These are opposite angles. So if this is 120 degree, so this also will be 120 degree. That also we can write here. Angle 3 equal to angle SRQ is equal to 120 degree opposite angles. We have just written about angle 2. So the opposite angle of angle 2 is angle 3. That we can write like this. Then angle 4. What is the name of angle 4? Angle 4 is angle PSR. Angle PSR. Angle 4. Or we can write, if you want, we can write angle RSP also. Here it is, angle PSR is written here. So angle PSR is 60 degree. Opposite angle of angle 1. Then angle 5. Angle 5 is, where is angle 5? Here. Angle 5 is the linear pair of this first angle. So it is 120 degree. It is written linear pair of angle TPS. Angle TPS. This is the way to write the answers. Thank you.